Here we will see .NET controls in Windows Form application. Windows Form controls are building blocks of an Windows application. These are the reusable components that encapsulate user interface functionality and are used in client-side window-based application. Control is an object that can be drawn onto the form to enable or enhance user interaction with the applications such as text boxes, labels, buttons, etc. All these controls are based on the control class, which is the base class for all controls. User can work with these controls in two ways: design time and runtime. Working with controls at design time means controls are visible to the user and user can work with them by dragging and dropping these controls on the form from the toolbox and setting their properties in the property window. And working with runtime means controls are visible to the user but their properties are assigned in code and are visible only when application is executed. Every controls has properties, methods and events. Properties are the type of methods that show state of an object like back color, fore color, etc. Methods are used for changing or doing something on the object like show, move or hide. And events are objects, which means that something happened for which the object must respond. These controls can be broadly categorized by their function, that is input control, display controls, container controls, menu and toolbar controls, dialog controls and custom controls. Input controls are the controls that are used to gather information or allow the user interaction. Some of them are text box, which allows user to input or edit text. Button is used to trigger an action when it is clicked. Checkbox allows user to select or deselect an option. Radio button allows users to select one option from a group. Combo box presents a drop-down list of items for selection. Optionally, it allows custom input. Date time picker enables user to select a date or time, and numeric drop-down allows user to select a numeric value within a specified range. Display controls are primarily used for presenting information to the user. Some of them are label, which displays static text. Link label displays a text as a clickable link. Picture box is used to display images. Progress bar indicates the progress of an operation. Status strip displays an information about the application's current state, typically at the bottom of the form. And data grid view displays tabular data in a grid format. Container controls are the controls that are used to organize and group other controls on a form. Some of them are panel. Group box controls provide a visual frame and title for grouping related controls. Tab control allows organizing controls into multiple tabs, each with its own set of controls. And split container divides a form or panel into two resizable panels. Menu and toolbar controls are the controls that provide navigation and command execution options. Some of them are menu strip, which creates a traditional menu bar at top of the form. Context menu strip provides a context-sensitive menu that appears on right click. And tool strip creates a toolbar with buttons, drop-downs and other interactive elements. Dialog controls are the components that facilitate standard interaction like opening, saving files or selecting colors or fonts. Some of the dialog controls are open file dialog, which allows user to select a file to open. Save file dialog. It allows user to specify a location and file name to save a file. Color dialog enables user to choose a color, and font dialog enables user to select a font. Then user controls. Windows Forms provide many ready-to-use controls, but it also provides an infrastructure for developing your own controls. You can combine existing controls, extend existing controls, or author your own custom control to create a single reusable unit called user control. It is useful for creating complex and specialized UI components.